Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I am going to show you how to check the engine oil level in a K11 Nissan Micra. So there were a few different facelifts and different engines in these, but they're all pretty much the same. There's slight differences, but you could probably figure it out. So I'm going to flip the camera around now and show you how to do it. So to get the bonnet open, you're going to want to come in here, and just under there is your bonnet catch. If you just pull that, it will pop the bonnet. And then if you walk around to the front, if you just pull that up slightly, then just below the grille, there is a little handle there that just pushes to the left. You lift that up and then lift the bonnet stay up. That goes into the long slotted hole there. And then to check the oil, it is just here. So if you just pull the dipstick out, and then you can see here where to top the oil up to. You can see there where it is textured, where the texture ends, that is the top mark, that's the bottom mark. You can see a bit better on that side. So it's slightly under, but yeah, the top of the texture is the very most. So that is how to check it. And if you need to top it up, the oil cap is just here. You just undo that. It won't look like this. You probably won't have a purple one. It'll probably be black, but it'll have an oil symbol on it. So yeah, if you just undo that and top it up, and the oil it takes is 5W30. So that is how to check the oil on a K11 Nissan Micra. It's the same for the 1 litre, the 1.3, the 1.4. They're all kind of in a similar place. I'll stick a link to the correct oil in the description down below so that you can grab that. And if that has helped you, make sure you leave a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.